Welcome back to another RMS Support Center tutorial video. This video covers how to fix signing issues due to FIPS. If with signing you get an error message, such as this, and you are a government user, it could be an issue caused with the Federal Information Processing Standards, or FIPS for short. There are two ways to verify if your error with signing has occurred due to FIPS. The first is to look at the call stack within the RMS exception view. Here at the top, we see that our issue is in fact caused by FIPS. Now please note that not all exception views will display if the issue is caused by FIPS. The other method to ensure that this message is in fact due to FIPS being enabled is to check the client logs. You can view this by opening up your File Explorer. Now that our File Explorer is open, let's go ahead and enter into our C drive. Then, click on the folder that says Program Files. Find the folder that says RMS3. Now, lastly, let's enter into our latest patch folder. Patch folders contain the first 3.0.0 followed by the patch number. In this case, we're running patch 209, so let's go ahead and enter into that patch folder. Now, lastly, let's go ahead and enter into the logs folder. Now open the latest log by the latest date. Make sure that you open this immediately after generating the error message so that your log file has the exception in it. Within the text file, go ahead and hit Control F and find the keyword FIPS. We see that our exception has in fact been generated by FIPS. To resolve this issue with FIPS, you must first contact your IT department and have them disable FIPS. Then, you'll be able to sign without any issues. If you are still encountering issues with signing not relating to FIPS, then please submit a support ticket at rmssupport.helpserve.com.